In sales, if you don't close a deal, all your efforts may have been for nothing. But we are here to save your leads and ensure better conversion of sales deals. Watch this video for a crash course on the pitfalls that mar the closing of a B2B sales deal and how to better your techniques to make this happen more often. This PowerPoint presentation will revitalize your sales team. Not just that, it upskills them with more proven methodologies to close deals. Download this PPT deck on closing stage in sales process to take your sales record to its peak. Life is like a box of deals. You never know which one you will have to close. Forest, the closer, dump. Learn to deal with a variety of clients with our informative PPT deck on closing sales. You've seen mentalists read people's minds. Learn to read signals from the buyers and prepare relevant strategies to respond for each such opportunity. This PPT set makes it happen. This PPT module, closing stage in sales process, is your key to close sales with even the most difficult of customers. With some easier clients under your belt, you will learn the more complex techniques to close deals with complex clients. MEDDPICC, for instance. This technique has all the scientific rigor to make your selling process achieve the highest levels of efficiency. Want more? Visit SlideTeam to find many more such PPT decks.